Same. Waiting for the food.
I'm thirsty.
I need to have.
Look. Please. Please, Durian puff.
Okay, alright.
I want 10 Durian puffs. I have 2 Durian puffs now.
What is that, Rupsin?
Durian puff. I'm gonna get 16 more.
I'm gonna get 16 more.
What's this? I wonder what's this.
Can I also have your leaf?
No!
Suman, what is this? What's yours, this one?
And this is hot chocolate. And this is yummy. I'm gonna eat this. It's my favorite.
Try the leaf from the oil.
It's so yummy. Fizzy.
Oh, your hands are blocking.
I need another more.
First finish that, and then I will ask. Durian Queen, here comes.
I used to be the Durian Queen.
Shut up.
Actually, am I?
Look.
Sometimes when you act like a Karen. Can I say it?
What?
Let's see how many durian puff you have eaten already.
3.
3.
I ate one mine. Then Didi's. Then the other one already in my
Oh,
tummy.
it stinks like. I don't think I should breathe.
Then don't breathe them.
3 and 6 altogether. 6 was there. Right. Let's see how many durian puff can.
Sorry to say, but you're gonna get fat.
Enjoying.
I have 4.
I would see. I couldn't even smell my hot chocolate.
She's
I
over.
can trash you.
Didi tried to hit me.
I tried to.
Didi
Did I?
twist my hand.
I did not, guys.
She did, guys. And Didi is overreacting. She's overreacting.
Wait, Baba, what was the word you said just now? Whatever you say to someone else, you are that person. That means you are. Kali. Kag. Crow. You crow. Ako chok-chokit.
Ito awa.
3 more to go.
Cranberry.
I'm excited.
I want cranberry juice.
We are going to
Tinta
the
cranberry juice
We're going to the world's first foodie Apple store for the second time.
We're gonna give my mother a present there.
What do you think we're gonna buy?
For you.
How many you finished?
4.
I almost choked.
Guys, look at it. Look at it. It looks like I'm cracking eggs. Eggs look like a wolf, cat, or dog, or a duck.
Last one, Raya. Plate.
I want
Yes.
What?
Yes. Look at her plate.
I can't look at it. No.
I thought you were gonna take my durian.
See, you're over here. I'm full. After eating one set, I am already full because of food.
I saw such a big, long, two red TVs. You're eating too. Look at it.
Oh, Durian is there inside, right?
Yeah.
Full.
Look. Guys, look.
She doesn't like that smell.
Yo, I smell durian on my hand. I've gotta go. I'm
You
gonna
guys
wash
want
my
to
hands.
eat?
Baba, where's my mask? My hand smells like
You
durian.
guys eat a big bite. She's overreacting again.
You want some more? I'll keep here. Full baya.
I don't know. Maybe I want some more.
How many you want more?
16.
Oh, please.
No. Actually, 8. I want 8.
So, should I ask you
I
to
want-
bring?
I want 800. I want
Crazy
something
about
fine.
durian.
I'll make it lesser. I want 80. I want 80.
I smell.
Ripsim finished total.
What is water?
8. So then we got like 8 now. Guess what?
Now
Guys.
she got 4 more.
I'm gonna get another 4. Actually, I'm gonna get another 2. Only 2.
Amji Babaji, listen to this, Amji Babaji.
Okay, we'll listen.
Baba, what is water which is cold?
What is cold?
What is water which is cold?
Cold water.
What is water which is hot?
Hot water.
What is water? What is water that is frozen?
Ice. You're trying to make fool to us, right? We are smarter. We are your parents.
Someone asked their grandparents about what is frozen water. Then you know what they say? Frozen water. It's a
Let's do that to Bajiko since he doesn't do. I'm gonna try that on Bina.
Nine durian puff.
That is disgusting. I can smell it so hard. Salt.
Guys.
She's staying away from Ripsim.
Stop. Stop it. I didn't hit
I have the camera to you. Dirty नगरिकन खानुस् न.
I only want the durian, not the puff.
That means it's not fair. It's not fair. You have to eat it all.
I'll eat the puff at last.
Back I don't want the puff. I want only the durian.
के भन्छ
5. You use yours.
Ripsim.
Accidentally, I didn't move.
She almost using my napkin. Oh god.
But I'm full, I can't eat anymore.
Me too.
Oh my god.
Last time, Vidisha had food coma, and this time, Ripsim had food coma.
What's food coma?
The last time was day before yesterday. And that food coma was the horrible one.
What food
I'm having
coma?
another food coma.
What food coma?
मा भनेको रिदेशाले तिमीले अहिले खाएको जस्तै यति धेरै खाने कि you feel sleepy, you don't feel like talking.
I think my food is digesting.
Yeah, me too.
My food is digesting, guys. It is time. It is time. It is digesting.
Ripsim.
Hello guys. Hello guys, welcome to my Minecraft channel. Cheers. Cheers. I'm not. It's too sweet. Sour.
Which juice is that?
Camber juice.